7 careers that are recession-proof to help you get through hard times. It is difficult to use the word recession casually. When people think of a recession, they immediately conjure up difficult concepts like decreased spending, job losses, and an increase in unemployment. But just like waistlines and sea levels, the economy experiences booms, busts, and resurging cycles. And with the outbreak of COVID-19, the economy is taking a turn for the worse. These recessionary traits are starting to materialize. Many workers may be left thinking, which professions have the best chance of surviving a recession? There is no absolute certainty, but there are several occupations and sectors that are thought to be necessary for society to function on a daily basis. In a difficult labor market, these jobs are most likely to remain in demand regardless of the economy. Find out if your industry appears on the list of recession-proof employment by reading on 1. Healthcare professionals. No matter of the economic conditions, there will always be a high demand for healthcare workers, including nurses, doctors, surgeons, pharmacists, physical therapists, and other healthcare experts. In something like a manner similar, staff members charged with ensuring the seamless operation of hospitals and other medical institutions are in an excellent position to keep existing jobs during a recession and provide stable employment. These careers are not easily achievable because many of them call for advanced degrees and other specialized training. However, if you work hard, you may be rewarded with a more steady job. 2. Specialized healthcare services. Across the nation, specialized care services are just as important as medical professionals. While there may be less scope and work available during a recession, the community will always have a necessity for these services in the community. 3. Financial services. Unfortunately, not all roles in the financial services sector are protected during a recession. Some facts, however, cannot be disputed. This means that even during a recession, there will be a demand for accountants, auditors, and tax preparers. There is no absolute rule because each circumstance is unique, but as a general rule, the financial industry is strong and strategically placed to offer many individuals a certain level of recession-proof job security. 4. Law enforcement. Police officers and other law enforcement personnel are always regarded as crucial since the community's safety is always put first, regardless of the circumstance or environment. Despite this, law enforcement continues to be a vital component of society, and employees are likely to have job security even during difficult economic times. 5. Education. For instance, during a recession, the need for education does not decrease, making primary, secondary, higher, and adult education experts vital to the continuous society's operation. 6. Utility services. Our cities couldn't survive without the provision of energy, water, and waste management services. As a result, during difficult economic times, employees whose duties directly support the efficient operation of these services might anticipate feeling a certain sense of security. Nothing is guaranteed, obviously, especially when during a recession. Utility services, however, rank highly on a list of essential versus non-essential employment. 7. Emergency services. Regardless of economic ups and downs, there will always be a need for emergency services like the fire department and ambulance service. There will continue to be a significant number of employment needed in a recession because all these services are necessary regardless of the health of the economy. Are you considering shifting your career to one that will be stable during a recession? The majority of the listed occupations call for specialized training and/or a college degree. Visit the National Careers Service to learn more about the abilities and qualifications required for a particular position. Then, learn more about how to write a CV when you want to change careers.